Hey guys, this is Jessica Lynn from Jessica Lynn Original Studios, and I have had the most amazing adventure today, and I cannot wait to share it with you. I'm going to bring you along a little bit on our adventure. I can't do everything, but I will definitely share some of the fun that I had today. So be sure to go ahead, like this video, subscribe, and let's go ahead and get started. Today's video is very special because in June, I got to attend Disney Institute's Disney's Approach to Leadership Excellence workshop. And wow, let me just tell you, I left with way more than just a new notebook full of ideas. If you've ever wondered how Disney creates those amazing feel-good experiences for families, or what we can learn from the incredible cast members who bring magic to life every day, then stick around because I'm going to go ahead and tell you a little bit about my adventure at the Disney Institute. Trust me, you're not going to want to miss this one, so be sure to hit subscribe and let's get going. The Disney Institute provides professional development courses from people from all industries to teach you a little bit about the Disney way, so everything from customer service to leadership, which is the one that I took. And today we're going to go ahead and talk about that leadership excellence Disney style. Now, one of the things that Disney does is create a culture of leadership that not only works in their office, but around the parks and resort, where the magic really happens. So it all starts with shared value and a compelling vision. Disney leaders don't just work off goals, they share a vision that's consistent and compelling. And then they go ahead and build a culture built on mutual trust and respect. Now, one of the things that was absolutely amazing about this event is not only do we have time inside of the building in the Contemporary, but they took us out on an adventure walk where we actually got to go on field review. So let me just tell you a little bit about it. First off, they gave us all matching umbrellas, which was amazing. It's one thing to enjoy Animal Kingdom as a guest, but seeing it from behind the scenes with a whole new level of appreciation. And that's where things got really special. We got to watch Disney cast members in action, and let me tell you, the way that they support each other as leaders in their own roles was so inspiring. Disney encouraged its cast members to be leaders no matter what their role, and it shows. And we actually got to see it firsthand at Animal Kingdom. There were even a couple of real-life problem solving on the spot where we were able to see the cast members work together to make a guest day unbelievable. It was, you kind of hear that Disney magic, and to be able to actually see that moment after kind of talking through the process, it was really inspiring. So something that stood out to me from the very beginning of this workshop was that at the Disney Institute, they truly believe that leadership isn't defined by your title, it's defined by your actions. So again, this is like masterclass kind of stuff, right? You don't need a big title to make an impact. You just need to lead by example. So in the workshop, we learned about values. What were my values? What were the values of the people that I work with? I was able to then kind of explore a little bit more my own personal values that I live every day. And how can I create a lasting legacy that goes beyond my job, beyond my career, beyond my passions, beyond me, right? So right off the bat, I knew that this wasn't just a corporate training session. Disney wanted us to reflect on ourselves and the values that we had. So it was almost like I was a cast member for the day, sort of reflecting and realizing I needed to lead by my own personal example. So how does Disney create a culture of leadership that doesn't only just work in their offices, but out in the parks and one-on-one with guests? How does that magic happen? Well, it all starts with a shared value and compelling vision. They don't just work off their goals. They share a vision that's consistent and compelling. At the Institute, they emphasize when leaders align their personal values with the values of their team and organization, something truly amazing happens. You'll start to see a culture built on mutual trust and respect, which, according to Disney, leads to better employee performance and ultimately the incredible guest service that we all know and love. And some of the footage I've been showing is us at Animal Kingdom. When we were walking around, they actually kind of discussed stuff. We had little earbuds in so that the other guests were not bothered by our conversation. And the other thing that I really liked is we got these really great workbooks that we were able to take notes, add our thoughts, add our ideas, so that when we came home, I actually had something in my hand tangible that I can actually reference and use. One of the most compelling moments during this session was that Disney encouraged us not to plan for just tomorrow, but to inspire a vision that motivates their team to take action today. They asked us to think about our own values and how we bring that to work every day, and how we reflect on, what we learned and how to build team culture. It's not just something on paper, it's something that's to be lived out in every interaction, in every person you work and talk with. And Disney taught us that every person has a role in building and sustaining a positive culture. Now you can see some of these photos were actually taken from my session, and I was floored. I got to meet all different types of people from all over the country that were inspired by what Disney was doing, and it was so moving. So as we wrapped up the day, it was really clear that it wasn't just a leadership course. It was a call to action. Disney encouraged me to go back to my life, go to my job, go to my YouTube channel, and live the lesson that I learned. Whether it was creating a vision that inspired others or cultivating an environment of respect, Disney really kind of shared the idea that leadership is about creating and leaving a legacy. It's not about doing one amazing thing, but showing up consistently and leading with integrity. All right, friends. Well, that is a wrap on my experience with the Disney Institute Leadership Excellence course. If you ever get a chance to attend one of these sessions with the Disney Institute, I highly recommend it. It was truly an experience that was both inspiring and practical. I left with so much to think about, and I'm already seeing how these ideas can make a difference in my life, and I've really tried to incorporate more of those here on my YouTube channel. As someone who has spent multiple years as a corporate trainer and educator, I really want to create more videos that coach, inspire, and are able to help you with decisions you are making. And if you enjoyed this little sneak peek behind the scenes at the Disney Institute, be sure to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. I absolutely love sharing these experiences with you, and I hope that you find it as inspiring as I did. Until next time, keep dreaming big, and remember, magic happens when you lead by example. Take care, everybody.